Hello, I'm Kathryn Sky Tomlinson, or Dr. Sky, as they call me online, and I enjoy being a teacher and know that I was meant to be a teacher because I've always loved technology and I love online learning and teaching. But, you know, when I was young and beginning my college career and my career, I took a career test, and the career test said I should be a teacher. Well, at that time, I had stars in my eyes. I said, "What kind of career is that? I'm going into radio and television." And I did. I got a degree in radio and TV and managed some TV stations in my day. But I found that in every job I've ever had, in television or wherever, I would end up teaching because I'm just a natural born teacher and I have those kinds of abilities. So, um, what a good lesson entails is a lot of work. Now, what's important is the learner. That's the important thing. And effective outcomes, well, they have to be measured, right? So, of course, the class, the session, the curriculum needs to be robust and engaging. It needs to be relevant to the learner. And most of all, I think that we need feedback from the learner. What did they know before? Pre existing knowledge. What did they gain, if anything? And is it relevant? Can they apply it to their lives and keep it as long term knowledge? So I would love to work for you and thank you for this opportunity to apply.